is 360 degree. Therefore, x plus 10, x plus 20 plus x plus 30 is equal to 360. I have removed the unit of the angle. Remember, this is quadratic equation, d square equal to 9. Therefore, it will have two values which are plus minus 3. Take these two together, then NC1 plus NC3 is equal to 2 times NC2. Now I put the expressions as defined here, factorial n by factorial 1 factorial n minus 1. Let me read that sum first. How many two-digit numbers are divisible by 7? How many two-digit numbers are divisible by 7? Two-digit numbers. Smallest two-digit number divisible by 7 is 14, and the greatest one is 98. Greatest two-digit number divisible by 7 is 98. According to the table, if we recall the table of 14 into 7 gives 98. Now we have to find how many numbers are there. Let 98 be the nth number of the AP. Here the AP will be 7, 14, 21, like this. The last one is 98. Now 98 is equal to, following the formula, a plus n minus 1 whole into d. First term is 14 plus n minus 1 whole into 7. Then I write this on the left and take the other terms on the right, so that 98 minus 14 equal to 84. Therefore, n minus 1 equal to 84 by 7 equal to 12. Therefore, n equal to 13. Now the question was, how many two-digit numbers? Therefore, there are 13 two-digit numbers are there. There are 13 two-digit numbers, just divisible by 7. Therefore, the sum is solved. I love this. This is the answer. Then, next sum. I first read out. This will be sixth sum. First I read this sum. The angles of a quadrilateral are in AP whose common difference is 10 degree. Find the angles. Quadrilateral and common difference given. Let the smallest angle of the quadrilateral be x degree, given the common difference is 10 degree, therefore angles of the quadrilateral are x degree plus 10 degree, x degree plus 20 degree, x degree plus 30 degree. 4 angles are there, and we know the sum of the 4 angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Since sum of 4 angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree, therefore x plus 10, x plus 20 plus x plus 30 is equal to 360. I have removed the unit of the angle, or 4x is equal to 360 minus 10, 20, 30, 60 means 300. Therefore, x is equal to 300 by 4, 75. Therefore, angles are 75 degree, 85 degree, 95 degree, 105 degree. Next sum. The sum of 3 consecutive terms of an AP is 21, and sum of squares of these numbers is 165. Find the numbers. I drop this one. Number 7. Let the numbers or terms in AP be, since sum of 3 numbers in AP, we can take the numbers like this: a minus d, a and a plus d. Since sum is there, sum is given, therefore if we take these numbers like this, a minus d, a and a plus d, you learn this trick. In case of 3 numbers in AP, you take the numbers and also the sum of the numbers given. In that case, you take the numbers as a minus d, a and a plus d. Then you see, if you add these will be cancelled. You will get easily the value of a. In APB, a minus d, a plus d. As per condition, a minus d plus a plus d is equal to 21. From this, after simplification, we shall get 3a equal to 21. From that, a is equal to 7. From second condition, is that sum of squares of these numbers a minus d whole square plus a square plus a plus d whole square is equal to sum of the squares is 165. Now already we have got the value of a, or 7 minus d whole square plus a square means 49 plus 7 plus d whole square is equal to 165. Or now you see sum of 7 minus d whole square plus 7 plus d whole square, that is you recall the formula for a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, that is equal to 2 into 7 square plus d square. Identity for 2 into within brackets a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole. You can expand and get the value. We will get same value is equal to 165 minus 49 6, or 49 plus d square is equal to 116 by 2. Therefore, d square is equal to 58 minus 49, that is equal to 9. From that, d equal to plus minus root 9 means plus minus 3. Remember, this is quadratic equation, d square equal to 9, therefore it will have two values which are plus minus 3. Now, already we have solved a and d, therefore required numbers are taking first positive value of d, 7 minus 3, that is 4, then 7 10. A minus d, that means 7 minus 3 4, then 7 plus 3. Or taking minus 3 first, then 7 plus 3, that is 10 7 4. Actually, we are getting same numbers, just in different order, 4 7 10 or 10 7 4. But students, remember, you must use both symbols, positive and negative, and write the answers like this. Next, number 8. First I read the sum. If NC1, NC2, NC3 are in AP, find N. করতে পারি। Sum number 8. Given NC1, NC2, NC3 are in AP. NC1, NC2, NC3. Now let me discuss the meaning of NCR first. Actually, I have not yet discussed or started the topic combination, and that C is the symbol of combination. C stands for combination, and meaning of NCR. NCR, there are n things or articles from which we are taking our articles or selecting our articles. Then the number of selection is denoted by the symbol NCR, and its value is factorial n factorial r into factorial n minus r. NCR denotes out of n different things, number of selections of r things at a time, NCR, and the value will be this. Actually, when I shall discuss the topic permutation and combination, detail will be discussed. Just here I know the value or meaning of NCR and use that to solve this sum. Therefore, it is mentioned that R in AP. Therefore, difference of first from second, NC2 minus NC1 will be equal to NC3 minus NC2. Or if we take these two together, then NC1 plus NC3 is equal to 2 times NC2. Now I put the expressions as defined here: factorial n by factorial 1 factorial n minus 1 plus factorial n by factorial 3 factorial n minus 3, that is equal to 2 times factorial n by factorial 2 factorial n minus 2. Now factorial n is positive number always, therefore we can cancel this from both sides, or factorial 1 is 1, therefore it is factorial n minus 1 plus 1 by factorial 3 into 2 into 1, 6 into factorial n minus 3 is equal to 2. Factorial 2 is 2, therefore these two will be cancelled, 1 by factorial n minus 2. Now we simplify. I need space. For since n minus 3 is smallest among n minus 1, n minus 2 and n minus 3, I write this n minus 1, n minus 2 into factorial n minus 3 plus 1 by 6 into factorial n minus 3, and right side will be 1 by n minus 2 factorial n minus 3. Now I find n minus 3 is common factor, and also remember n minus 3 factorial is positive integer, therefore we can cancel. Therefore, after cancelling that, we get n minus 1 into n minus 2, here 6. Therefore, LCM will be 6 into n minus 1, n minus 2, numerator will be 6 plus product of these two, that is n square minus 3n plus 2 is equal to 1 by n minus 2. Now n minus 2 will be cancelled, since n is, in this case, n is greater than or equal to 3. Since NC3 is there, as per property, 3 is always less than or equal to n. Therefore, n minus 2 are cancelled. Now we multiply that. N square minus 3n plus 8 is equal to 6n minus 6, or n square, I take this on the left side, minus 9a plus 14, or if we resolve into factors, then it will give from which we get n minus 2 equal to 0, or n minus 7 equal to 0. From this, n equal to 2, and from this, n equal to 7. Already we have mentioned, since n greater than or equal to 3, therefore n equal to 7. Value of n is 7. Therefore the sum is solved. Now I will discuss about means. Arithmetic means. Two numbers will be given. We have to find required number of arithmetic means. Arithmetic means. First case, two given numbers A and B. Two given numbers A and B. We have to find required number of arithmetic mean or means. First case, arithmetic mean. We write in short AM of A and B. You have learned in earlier class average of A and B. In this case, average of A and B is the arithmetic mean. If x be the arithmetic mean, then a x b. From the term mean, it is clear that arithmetic mean will lie in between the two numbers a and b. A, x, b are in a. Therefore, x minus a will be equal to b minus x. From that, 2x equal to a plus b. Therefore, x equal to a plus b by 2. Already I have mentioned that is the average, which is the average, which is the average of a and b. Now, second case. We have to find n number of arithmetic means. To find n number of AMs. In short, AM in between A and B. We are going to find, let AMs be M1, M2, M3, Mn. N number of means are denoted by M1, M2, M3, dot 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 Mn. Therefore, A, M1, M2, M3, Mn. Actually, these are written as suffix B or in AP. We have inserted the arithmetic means in between A and B. Then total number of terms in this case will be n plus 2. Therefore, B is the n plus 2th term. Therefore, n plus 2th term T n plus 2 equal to B. Now, I use the formula for nth term. Here, n plus 2th term. Therefore, A plus n minus 1 will give n plus 1 into D equal to B. As per formula, A plus n plus 2 minus 1 whole into D equal to this. From that, or n plus 1 whole into D is equal to B minus A. Therefore, D equal to B minus A divided by n plus 1. Thus, finally, we have find the common difference of the means. Therefore, M1 will be A plus the common difference, that is A plus 1 into, I can write here, B minus A by n plus 1. Second mean will be A plus 2D, A plus 2, B minus A by n plus 1. Following, nth mean will be equal to A plus n into B minus A by n plus 1. Thus, we have found n number of means between A and B.